Hey, keep it on the low, Cuffaros, but we got custom PC aquariums being made right now. There's another hole over there, they can go through there. Oh my goodness. Talk about close. I did not think silicone was that strong, dude. Don't drop it. I'm straight now. His idea was to buy 700-pound rock. Thought ahead this time. I'm making it. Please. Oh God. That will expand and connect. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see, I'm drenched in sweat already. We got a bunch of rock, but it was a challenge to get this rock here. Recap. This is an expensive route. We're talking to the guy over here. These rocks right here are just so heavy. You guys know the building is very, very far back in my property. So for us to, can't pull up on the grass right now because it's a rainy part of the year. My truck would sink in the mud and we don't want to ruin the lawn. So we're trying to think of an alternative. And these rocks right here, we just built this cave just to kind of get an idea, are hollow. So if you look on the inside, they're heavy, but these are hollow. This one's got a hole in the top. So I thought to myself, we built a cave just like this inside the pond. Light comes from above. They have that cave structure. They have that feel of being in the structure, but also they not only can enter and exit through here, but light will shine through. So if a fish is trying to hide, we can always see him inside the cave. Like I said, this is a bit more expensive. I mean, we're talking probably around $1,000 for this amount of rock when you could do all that for like $300, $400. But like I said, I wanted to go all out on a project like this, especially if I'm doing it the way we are. I think this is what we're gonna rock with. These are roughly 200 bucks a piece. We're not gonna waste any more time. This is what we're getting. We're gonna build something similar to this. This provides so many different entries for the eels and whatever we may get. I mean, the fish can go in here. They've got all up in here to swim around. They can go back around here. They got all up in here. Look at these holes. There's another hole over there. They can go through there. Over here is really cool because there's actually another hole down in there so they could like literally hide out. Very perfect for an aquarium, to be honest with you. I just really hope they sink. They definitely sink. They're heavy enough to sink. All right, let's load this sucker up and cash out. All right, we just did one big rock with the wheelbarrow. And as you can see, it made a trench. How heavy the rock was in my back. I feel like I'm 97 years old. No offense to anyone that's 97 watching this. If there is a 97-year-old watching this. If you're 97, shout out to you. My goodness, I hope I live that long. Watch that pole, Daniel. We're just gonna eat the dirt and deal with the yard later. I came to the conclusion there's no way we're gonna wheelbarrow every single one of those rocks. It's just not happening. Oh my goodness. Talk about close. Holy smokes. Yeah, anyway, that's all the rock. They're heavy. He's about to sink so deep right here. Well, there goes that part of the yard. Nice. Straight back. Straight back. Straight back. Now that we're back here at the building with the rock, all the rock is right in front of us. It's time to escape the 4,000-gallon saltwater aquarium. I've been talking about doing this forever. If you aren't familiar, we've been building this saltwater aquarium for the last couple weeks now, months, I should say, and it looks amazing. We just have two more steps, and that's scaping, which as you can see, I got some really cool rocks so that the fish have somewhere to hide, unlike we have in the 5,000 gallons, soon to come though. And then water, and water's coming on Sunday. Obviously, I'm excited to share every single step of the way with you guys here. We got a lot of rock. I love this hole right here. This is such a cool rock. It's gonna be awesome to get all of this into here and be done with this hard labor, destroying my grass type of work. I'm ready. All right, first things first, we need to get the big rock like this up and into the pond, and we gotta do it with two people. Me and Redneck Dan.
Hey.
He's always on the phone. Never not on the phone. Get up.
Making sales calls here, man.
Yeah. All right, Cap. Hey, keep it on the low, Cuffaros, but we got custom PC aquariums being made right now. Just a little hint on what's to come on PCAquatics.shop. I have all of our shelves and stuff that we are gonna be holding all the product. Y'all are gonna really love this website. I've been putting my heart and soul into it, and I'm so excited to drop it. We were delayed about a month. I believe we're gonna have this thing ready early September. If you do want to though, go to the description of this video, type in your email inside the website, and when I do go live, it'll notify you. All right, enough of PC Aquatics. Let me give anyone that doesn't know too much about this pond a quick rundown of what's going on. Here is the 4,000-gallon pond. We have completely built the entire thing from scratch. Planned all this out on paper months ago. As you can see, we use epoxy pond paint on the inside. We have our big old acrylic viewing panels both here and right here. And I put in front of the viewing panels some gravel. A little different, never seen that before, so I wanted to do something new. Just a simple wood on top, and sand obviously at the bottom. These are siliconed onto the bottom of the ground so the fish can't knock them over. I know it's a little weird that this is a dark rock and these are a little different rock. Might end up taking these off the ground depending on how that looks. Lights up here, LED lights. Our big old wave maker is connected in the back over there. Big skimmer right there, and many different points of filtration coming out. We have some flow coming out here, right there, and right there. This is gonna keep the water just consistently flowing through here. Obviously, y'all know I plan to get some sharks, some eels, some really cool predatory fish, along with some really cool reef fish as well. And as you can see, I didn't go light on the rock work. We have a lot of rock to work with. See what we can make happen. I do believe we should pop these rocks out of the ground.
Why?
Because it looks ugly. They're two different color rocks. Ah! Ah! I did not think silicone was that strong, dude. Pop it off the ground, fill it in like nothing was ever there. The biggest one is right there. Once we get the big ones in, it's game over. It's easy work from there. But this definitely did some damage on the wood, so we'll definitely be repainting. No bueno.
I think we need a sand. A little sand.
A little sand in the paint. All right, let's get the other big one. I'm putting the camera right here so you can see just how much we struggle with the weight of this rock.
You got that by yourself, right?
Oh yeah. Bet you got a nice shot of me. Woo! Oh my God. I don't think people understand how, that's gotta be at least 250 pounds.
Just don't make us look, you're trying to make us look strong or something?
No, we're not strong at all. Don't drop it. Straight down.
Hang on, hang on.
Whose idea was it to buy 700-pound rock? Can't even lift it. All right. The biggest rocks are in. They look amazing too. The cave's gonna be just like that. Two small ones go here, big one goes on this top. The hardest part is just to remember how the heck we did it. That was it right there. Foam that baby mama up, ain't going nowhere. Oh, fingers almost just got crunched off. All right, ideally, that's pretty good. Gotta sit. Holy, that is freaking epic. Dude, look at the size of that cave. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, would I like the bottom of this rock to have a little bit more natural of a look? Of course. But that is sick. So many different places for the fish to go in and out. That looks absolutely epic. I just thought of the craziest idea. I do need your opinion on it, so be sure to let me know in the comments down below whether you think this is a smart or stupid idea. I know I mentioned this hole being really cool to provide light down into the cave so we could see our fish from this way, but I believe these lights right here would do just that. What if we got a big old, what gallon is this, 20-gallon pot? About a 15-gallon pot. Boom, right there with mangroves, real mangroves. So I get a pot with soil and I put mangroves in it and they'll just grow naturally out the top of it. I think I have to do it. I think I have to do it. And that'll be something we could do after we get water. I think it's gonna be smart. Let me know in the comments whether you think I should do it or not. Mangroves growing right out the top of the scape. I think it's just kind of meant to be. Why is there a circle there? God wants us to put mangroves, that's why. Look at the amount of caves, bro. There's so many places for eels and little invertebrates and stuff to hide. I really do love just how natural this rock is. As much as I can't say it's natural because it's literally man-made rock, the person who had made this, or machine, did a great job. There's a lot of in and outs and curves and different spots, so many different spots for the living creatures that will be inside this 4,000-gallon aquarium. I see a lot of comments about getting structure, so I know you people that always comment about the structure are very happy right now. Thought ahead this time. How many times I've worked with this right here, and I've realized, wear gloves. Save yourself in the end. That stuff is gnarly. One sec, I got one more to put on. Got my own little tool section over here. I've been doing so much work that just accumulated a bunch of stuff over this entire project. We really did tear up that wood, huh? Yeah, we did.
You're buff.
Oh, I bought these too, by the way. While I was at the rock store, I got some actual rock. This is natural. And this is I'm just gonna use to kind of fill in dead spots, spots that look a little dull. Or we throw them on the ground in the pond. We may replace what was once these with these. Regardless, they'll be used. Watch this box jump.
Please.
5.5 feet.
Please watch your.
I'm making it.
Please. Oh God.
Oh! Determination is key in life. If you want something bad enough, you will get it. Yes! Okay, silicone time. All right, we've officially siliconed all of the trim around the pond. Every bit of underneath this pond is siliconed, and that was just so that if water ever splashed, it didn't get back behind this wood. Biggest thing is, this stuff expands a lot. So like you'll see where this rock connects to this. Right there. Like I want to put some here and let that expand and touch that other rock. That's gonna hold that together. That's what I'm saying. That will expand and connect. All right, for the little rocks, I'm just gonna do exactly what we said. It just gives it a little bit of character leading up to the rock structure, as you can see. We could save the other bottle of this where we put the pot of mangroves in, we seal it with this around the side. This is totally okay for fish. Waterfall foam sealant. Yeah, I think we got all the spots we need to really connect these rocks. Make them not completely break apart when a grouper smashes into them. I'm gonna wait until this dries. I will see you in probably a couple hours. So it's the next day, and all the foam looks like this right here. Very puffy, all hardened, and ready to cut. Now, this is completely shot, that's trash. And what we do essentially is just cut, just like that. Very satisfying. Just cut straight down. Boop. Now keep in mind, algae is gonna grow on this rock, and it'll eventually just look seamless. I'll do the same for over here. And now with the pile of foam, the rock is all cleaned up. Now I have plans. I want to put coral, artificial coral, in front of all these different pieces. We're gonna see if we can get any of that very soon, but I have to find a source. I've got to find somewhere that I can get that artificial coral, which I'm sure is not that hard. We'll figure it out. Just gotta make a couple calls. Well, Cuffaros, it is 2 days later since I've done the scape work inside this pond, and I've made a couple phone calls in order to get some artificial coral, and that is in the works. We're gonna get it. I've already got 2 connections. Hopefully one of the 2 pull through. Regardless, we're gonna make that happen and have like an artificial reef inside here. For now, we have the obvious rockscape, which came out amazing. It looks very natural. I love it. You see that? You see that right there? The saltwater pond is full of water. It looks incredible. And I'd hate to leave you guys on a cliffhanger like this. My next video is gonna be a nice long video though, putting the water in, setting all the filtration up. I mean, everything in the next video. Over a 20-minute long video for sure, that you guys will definitely love. I'm not gonna tease you. Just look how clear it is. I will show you that. Make sure you're subscribed. Notification bell is on. You smash that like button. If this hits 40,000 likes, 40, within the first 24 hours of this being uploaded, which you guys have done plenty of times, I will upload it right away. Update on the chameleon. I see a lot of comments wanting to see Leo the chameleon, our Ambilobe panther chameleon to be exact. I got new plants for him. I heard that they love hibiscus. Gio told me that hibiscus is a good plant. So I got a nice long hibiscus and then a smaller one as well. They don't look too good. I just watered them for the first time. I just put them in last night, so they should start getting nice and full and growing tall in here, you know? Well, this is what that tree looks like now. It died. And the cause of death to that tree, oh, hey, Leo. What's up? You're looking so good. The cause of death to the tree, I think, was because I didn't have that. I just bought a plant light. And ever since the plant light purchase, I wanted to get new plants, aka what I just got here, so that everything is nice and thriving. As you can see, our vine is doing great. Leo is currently drinking off of the plants. That's what it looks like when a chameleon drinks. They lick. A chameleon drinks by licking water off of leaves, if you didn't know that. And as you can see, Leo is not only doing good, but he is getting big. My goodness. Such a beautiful, beautiful lizard. Leo the chameleon, fellas. Got a beautiful enclosure. That's for my reptile peeps out there that wanted an update on Leo. And of course, for my farm peeps out there, give you a quick update on the animals. Hey everyone. It is extremely, extremely humid outside, so they all just kind of lay in this dirt right here. Lily! Come here, Lulu. What are you doing laying over there? There's Mama. Of course, over here we have the good old Lady May and Mango. Lady May, Mango. The ground is all soaking wet. There's very small dry spots throughout each enclosure, so all the goats like to just hang out on the dry spots. Scoop some food for the pigs. And someone want it straight out of the scooper? You got some on your head there, Duke. Okay, you definitely do. Yep. Rosie here. Rosie tries to grab the scooper itself and pull. You always try to grab the scooper. Hey, hey, take it easy, guys. Take it easy. It's not that serious. There's thousands of grains. Let's see if I can make it. Hey. Boop. What happened, dude? You hate the mud? I honestly don't blame you. I'm not gonna lie. I would hate the mud too. When storms get really, really bad, I have an extra stall over here that you've probably seen me if you've watched long enough. Take the goats and actually bring them over here and put them into the second stall. Rick and Morty, what's going on, you two? Lunatics. There you go. Just watching these two birds eat is the funniest thing. Grab and toss, grab and toss. Look at them feet though. My gosh. Cuffaro's, everyone on the farm is also doing great. And as you can see behind me too, we have a bunch of stock already. Literally a bunch of stuff for PC Aquatics. We're selling all sorts of little things. Thermometers, artificial plants, fish nets. There's gonna be so much on PC Aquatics as well. A lot of exciting things coming for you guys. I appreciate all of your support. Thank you so much for allowing me to make these videos. I will see you right back here with that video next time. Peace!